Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing effective study techniques that can help you improve your study skills and retention of information. Whether you are a student or a working professional, these strategies can help you learn and remember information more efficiently. Number 1. Start with a clear goal. Before starting any study session, it is important to set a clear goal. Define what you want to achieve and how you will measure your progress. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your study session. Number 2. Create a study schedule. Creating a study schedule can help you manage your time effectively and ensure that you cover all the necessary topics. Identify the best time of day for you to study and allocate specific time slots for each subject. Number 3. Take breaks. It is important to take regular breaks during your study session to avoid burnout and improve your productivity. Taking a break can help you recharge your brain and improve your focus when you return to your studies. Number 4. Active learning. Active learning involves engaging with the material actively, rather than just passively reading or listening. This can include things like taking notes, asking questions, and practicing problems. Number 5. Practice retrieval. Retrieval practice involves trying to recall information from memory. This can help improve long-term retention of information and can be done through activities such as quizzes, flashcards, and practice tests. Number 6. Use visual aids. Using visual aids such as diagrams, graphs, and charts can help make complex information easier to understand and remember. Number 7. Group study. Studying in a group can be helpful for discussing difficult concepts, sharing ideas, and getting feedback. However, it is important to find a group that is focused and motivated. Number 8. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for consolidating information and improving memory. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Number 9. Avoid distractions. Avoiding distractions such as social media, TV, and phone notifications can help improve focus and productivity during study sessions. Number 10. Reward yourself. Finally, it is important to reward yourself for your hard work. This can help motivate you to continue studying and can make the process more enjoyable. Thank you for watching this video on effective study techniques. By following these strategies, you can improve your study skills and retention of information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.